Now the time has come to do an unboxing on the Google Pixel 8. And I'm very excited to check this phone out because I want to see what's different from last year's Pixel 7. I'm also going to be comparing this phone to a lot of the newer phones out right now, like the Z Fold 5, the Z Flip 5, and of course the iPhone 15 series. And this phone is currently selling for $700. If you wanted to go with the Pro model, it's going to be a little bit more money, but yeah, guys, looking super fresh as usual. Now, if you've never owned a Pixel phone before, I will say they're a great alternative to going with a Samsung phone or iPhone at a slightly cheaper price. They kind of been increasing the price on these phones over, I'd say the last couple of years, so they're getting a little bit more expensive. But, I mean, you get what you pay for sometimes, and I really think these are good phones for sure. Now, let's take a look at it. I'm going to hold it up to the camera for you guys so you can really browse it, but yeah, man, it does look very similar to last year's Pixel 7, so, I'm going to say that. Not a whole lot different there. I do like my color choice. This phone currently comes in a few different colors, and, I'm happy with what we got here. Comes in Obsidian, Hazel, and Rose. Okay, anyways, to kind of speed things up here, I went through the startup screen. And the first thing I like to do on any new phone, obviously check out some of the different wallpaper options. And the one they have stock is kind of not so great, so let's switch it over to this. This one actually looks pretty cool. It's still kind of green, but yeah, let's check it out. Okay. You know what? I got to mention some of the specs on this phone. I'm just kind of like looking at it right now, but it does come with a 6.2-inch OLED display, 50 megapixel back camera. It's also got a 4575 mAh non-removable battery, and of course the new Google chip it's got in it as well. But yeah, my first impressions, kind of what I expected, but like I said, these Pixel phones are really nice, a little bit cheaper than getting a Samsung or iPhone. And yeah, next thing I'm going to do here is run some video, some gaming on it so we can see it in action. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about it as far as some of the pricing, check out our full detailed review we're going to update. We'll also have some links you can check out directly below in the description. But for now, let's run it.
They murder and kill blindly. They scar the lands of England. Lands they will never defend, never love. The time has come to speak to them in a language they will understand. Oh, somebody tell me. That's everything.
Every time. Fight.
poorly. You're forgetting the time I beat Shinnok mano a mano. Oh, wait. You were dead when that happened.
Fight. Experience our perfection.
I'm the star. Go back to the 90s. Who's next?
They're gonna die. Right in front of your face.
Fight.
Rack off.
Not my contract.